I really love how Joe Rogan mentions this.
It's better to be a warrior in a garden than a gardener in a war.
Wow.
It's an old expression, but it makes sense because it doesn't mean that you can't be kind if you're strong, but it does mean you can't be strong if you're weak. If you're weak, you're fucked.
Whenever I coach people who have just started their fitness journey or want to lose weight for the first time, I tell them that they need to go hard, really hard on their ethics. Like, skip that sugary food, skip the junk food for the first 3 to 6 months at least. What that does is it builds a foundation because you are training your body and mind to go against all the things that put you in the comfort zone, all the things that pulled you down from growing. An example would be me. I, for so many years, have been following fitness, have been eating clean, and I've always been the person in parties and family gatherings who says no to a lot of food items, from sugary foods, junk food, ultra processed food, high carbs, and it's difficult to be that person. Lately I have been opening myself a bit, here and there, indulging in some of the foods that are fine to be in the family times, to be able to socially interact with people. And eating such foods here and there has not put a dent or not done anything to my six packs or to my workout routines. But the same does not go for a person who is just starting out. Their brain, their mind, by indulging into such things, will put them back again, will put their progress back again very easily. So what's happening with me? Like, I have built a great foundation, a great system for myself throughout these years where even if I eat some small thing here and there, I'm fine, because then from the next day I'm gonna go back to my routine, my system that will still keep me healthy and still keep me young. That doesn't go for everybody, especially not for the people who are beginners. So, like Joe Rogan says, you gotta be a warrior. You gotta be a warrior. Go to war with your junk food habits, with your sugary item habits, with your, not going to the gym habits. And when you have established your foundation with a substantial amount of time with that extreme mindset, it's very, very easy after that. It becomes very easy. And then you can be a warrior in the garden. You will have a strong mindset. So that's how you do it. That's a thought that I've been thinking all today. And yeah, day 28, 72 to go.